Okay, students, all of you have already gone through the salt hydrolysis theory session. Okay, the advantage of the theory session is along with the theory session, you should also have to have numerical session or question session also, because if you understand the concept but how the questions are being framed and which way you should approach, okay, so both are very necessary, then only you will be succeeding in your entrance examination in one go. Okay, so first you should understand the concept clarity. I don't think you have any doubts in the salt hydrolysis. If you have, then wherever you have that problem, you can ask. Okay. So this session is going to be theory as well as numericals, because anionic hydrolysis, cationic hydrolysis, pH range, and what values when to substitute it. That theory also will be applicable, and which value to be substituted and how to simplify, that will be numerical part. Okay. So both we are going to cover, and questions are selected in such a way that all models will be covered. Okay. Okay, here first question is very theory and basic question. Let's start from the basics so that slowly your understanding power can be improved. Okay, first question is pH of solution of both ammonium acetate and sodium chloride. Both have pH 7. But what is the reason why they both have 7? Okay, first option is both undergoes hydrolysis. Second, farmer undergoes. Farmer means first one, that is ammonium acetate. All of you must know ammonium acetate formula. Ammonium acetate is NH4. Otherwise, I will write it like this: CH3 C double bond O NH4. This is called as ammonium acetate. Okay, and sodium chloride. Everybody know already sodium chloride. So question is, farmer means this one. Latter means after, that is sodium chloride. Okay. Former and latter, is it understood? Former undergoes hydrolysis but not latter. Question, and third is no hydrolysis in both. And fourth option is hydrolysis in NaCl but not in ammonium chloride. Okay. Question, I think, clear to you? Okay, listen to me now. See, sodium chloride is a salt of strong acid and strong base. So it will be in only one direction. What is the direction? Neutralization. Okay. Hydrolysis is the backward reaction. Reverse reaction of hydrolysis is what? Reverse reaction of neutralization. Okay. So NaCl being made from the HCl and NaOH, there won't be any backward reaction. So there is no hydrolysis in NaCl. But ammonium acetate, acetic acid and ammonia, both are weak. So both will undergo hydrolysis. If both are weak, then also 7. If both are strong, then also 7. But reason is different. Here reason is no hydrolysis. Here reason is both hydrolysis. Okay. So this is first, it is there, it is called former. After whatever it is written, latter. Okay. Hydrolysis in former and no hydrolysis in the latter. Okay, so what is the answer? Former hydrolysis, not in latter. Okay, so is it understood? So answer B is correct. Is it understood to all of you? Note down. Okay, next question. Question is here, these are the salt. Okay, 4 salts are given. Corresponding this salt, it is made from the HW. This is made from the HH. This is made from the HY. This is made from the HZ. Okay. So salt pH is given with the same concentration, which is strong acid. Okay. So here, what are the common things? Concentration is common. Okay. Metal is common. So anion is changing. Anion is responsible for acid. Acid will produce, or acid will provide anion. Okay. So higher the acidic strength, pH will be lower or higher. In the pH scale lecture, I clearly mentioned, and we have done some questions of pH scale also. Higher the pH, stronger will be the acid. Is it correct? Higher the pH, stronger is the acid. No, I told you specially to avoid confusion, you can write it like this. pH is equal to log 1 upon H plus. Higher the pH, lower will be the acidic strength. Understood? So that way it should be inversely proportional. So here we need to find out strongest acid. Strongest acid will be from the lowest pH. pH lowest, then acid will be stronger. Okay. So they both are inversely proportional. So 7 pH. 7 pH. That means lowest, so HW. Okay. So answer is A. Okay. Actually, HW when treated with NaOH, this hydrogen and this OH will be removed as a water, then you will get NaW. Okay. So the salt pH depends upon from where it originated. Okay. This NaW is originated from the acid HW and base NaOH. Understood? So this is the daughter or son. These are the parents. Understood? So some characteristics will be from the father, some characteristics will be from the mother. Okay. So pH means acid. pOH will be implemented from the base. Is it understood? Both characteristics will be there in a salt. Okay. So answer is what? A answer is correct. Okay. Next question is if pH of 0.001 molarity potassium propanate solution be 8.0. Okay. Then dissociation constant of propionoic acid will be okay. Okay, in this question what we have to do, potassium propionate. Okay, CH3 CH2 COOK, this is called as a potassium propionate, but you need not to worry about the formula. Weak acid and strong base. What is the salt? It is a salt of weak acid and strong base. So you will use the formula accordingly. Okay. You will use what? Formula accordingly. So what is the formula for weak? pKa is there. So pH is equal to 1 by 2 into pKw. Acid means add. So pKa plus log C. Understood? See, pH is already given where it is given 8. So in this place you will substitute 8. In this place you will substitute 14. Okay? And Ka is question mark. Okay? And log C 10 to the power of minus 3. This place you will write as a 3. Okay? So on simplifying you will get pKa. Okay? How much you will get? You know, pKa you will get as a 5. pK, how much you will get? 5. So if pK is 5, concentration will be 10 to the power of minus 5. So what will be your answer? D will be your answer. How to substitute? Is it understood? Main problem in this is lot of formulas are there. So selection of the correct formula and substituting at the proper place is very, very essential. Here three types of salts are given. Okay. What is that? Sodium bicarbonate, NaCN. This I think you are understood now. Okay. If not understood now, then there is a topic today evening. Okay, sorry. Today the next lecture is going to be on polybasic polyacidic. Okay. Very soon you are going to get that lecture. Polybasic polyacidic. Okay. Are polyprotic acids that on the what do you call thumbnail you will find polyprotic acids. Okay. So you can go through that in the evening. Okay, these immediately will get and prepare that, then we can have the question session on that also for better scoring in your forthcoming examinations. Okay, so don't skip any one of the lecture. If you skip even one lecture, it is going to affect some or other way. Okay, so try to maintain interest from the beginning to the last. then only you will be scoring good. Okay. So NaCO3, NaCl and KCl. Out of this, where you will get the more OH minus? Okay. Question, is it understood? You have to arrange them. Okay. So for easiness, what I am doing, I will write it as a, this as a B, this as a C. Okay. Question is increasing order of concentration of OH minus. Okay. Increasing order, you have to arrange them. Okay, see here. This is just a similar question, but the way of asking is in the other way. Okay. In this question, what is given is NaHCO3, NaCN and KCl. Three things are given. How many things are given? Three things are given. And this will be, pH will be 7 because both are strong. Okay. So the main problem is with this one and this one. Okay. Let them given NaCl also, no problem. Answer will be same. Okay. So this is strong acid. Now out of this strong acid is H2CO3. Okay. So stronger the acid, weak, lesser will be the pH. So highest pH will be what? B. Okay. B will be highest pH. Then it will be A. Lowest pH will be of C. So higher the pH, higher will be concentration of OH minus. So answer is CAB. CAB. Okay. Why B is it understood? Okay, so B is here, then A, and then C. C is the lowest because strong acid. Okay. Okay, next question. A salt of strong acid and weak base. Okay, base is weak, acid is strong. And dissolved in water. It's hydrolysis. That means extent of hydrolysis. Extent of hydrolysis changes what in all four options. Okay, listen now. See here it is a hydrolysis question. Okay. And it is strong acid and weak base. Which hydrolysis it will undergo? It will undergo cationic hydrolysis. Which undergoes? It undergoes cationic hydrolysis because base is weak. Okay. So if I write here, is it visible? So base, let us take B positive of the base. Okay. React with water. So what it is going to form? It is going to form BOH plus H plus. Now, to this, what we are adding not affected by temperature, it is not like that. Because neutralization is exothermic. Neutralization is what thermic? Exothermic. It is reverse. So it will be endothermic. Salt hydrolysis will be endothermic. Okay. So exo or endothermic, there will be change in temperature, change in the reaction. So it cannot be. Okay. Next, increased by adding strong acid. See here, if we add acid means we are adding H positive. So we can apply Le-Chatelier principle. If concentration of product is added, then the reaction will go in the backward direction. Okay. This is forward direction is hydrolysis. This will be suppressed by the adding strong acid. So what is the answer? Answer is C. Note down, answer is C. Okay, next is pH of 0.1 molarity solution. 0.1 molarity solution of following compounds increases in the order of. Four compounds are given. First compound is NaCl, second compound NH4Cl, third compound NaCN, cyanide, and fourth is simple acid. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Salt, 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 and acid. Increasing order of pH. All concentrations are same. Now all of you listen carefully. Blindly, HCl is only acid, so it will be, pH will be lowest. pH will be what? Lowest. Why? Because it is only acid. Acid will have lower pH when compared to any salt. Okay. So answer first will be D. Then strong acid but weak base. Strong acid but weak base. What will be the answer? This one, B. Okay. Weak acid, weak base is highest and it will be 7. Okay. So DBAC. What will be the answer? D less than, B less than, A less than C. You can cross check your answers and you can also identify your mistakes. Okay. Is this explanation sufficient and understood? Okay, no problem. Now let's do some numericals. Okay, already done one or two questions, and this is proper numerical. Concept questions covered a lot. So what is the pH of solution of 0.5 molarity aqueous solution of NaCN? Okay, and pKb, all values are very simply given. pKb given, log 2 also given. Okay, utilize them and find the answer. Let me know, I will tell you the correct answer or not. So simple, you can eliminate options. This cannot be, this cannot be. Why? Because it is a salt of weak acid and strong base. So more than 7. Okay, only these two. So still some people are doing A and C. Sometimes you have to think simple. Simple thinking, correct answer. Understood? So here answer will be 11.5. What is the formula you will use? Here pKa will be given. Okay. To just to confuse you, pKb is given. But in formula, what you will write as weak acid pKa. How you will find out pKa? You will just pKa plus pKb is equal to how much? 14. So by change using that you will get answer. Okay. So pKa plus pKb is equal to 14 or Ka into Kb is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14. So use that, then you can find out. Okay. So here pH is equal to 1 by 2 into pKw plus pKa plus log C. Okay. So to confuse you, this pKb word is used. Understood? So 1 by 2 into pKa. Sorry, what I have written? This is 14. So 14 plus here 14 minus 4.70 plus log C. Okay. So log 0.05 molarity. Then you will get the answer. Okay. How much you will get? 11.5 on simplifying this. Okay, another question. Ammonium, pH of aqueous solution. Aqueous solution of 1.0 molarity ammonium formate, assuming complete dissociation. pKa of formic acid is 3.8, ammonia is 4.8. Okay. Okay, options are given 7, 7.5, 6.5 and 4.3. Okay. Now you can do it. Okay, answer is 6.5. Okay, which formula you will use? Very simple direct formula. pH is equal to 1 by 2 into pKw. Acid will be added, base will be subtracted. Okay, so you will get 13 by 2, that is equal to 6.5. What is answer? Answer is C. And how it is solved? The formula, everything I have given. So 6.5 is final answer. Okay, next question. If acid ionization constant, very, very important. Acid ionization constant of Zn2 positive is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 10. What is the pH of 0.01 molarity? 0.01 molarity solution of ZnCl2. All of you tried, then I will explain. Okay. Okay, very simple. Here acid ionization constant is given and concentration is given. If you substitute in simple formula based, okay, only thing is confusion is done with acid ionization constant only. That is Ka is given and you have to find out pH. Okay. If If you substitute and simplify properly, you will get C options. Just now, this type of question done, but values are changed. Okay. So answer to this question is C, 6.35. Formula and everything you have, only thing is where to substitute, what to substitute, I have told you. Okay. Okay, next to somewhat theory question. So fast answers. Addition of ammonium chloride to acetic acid. Okay. Ammonium chloride is a salt, acetic acid is a weak acid. Then if you add salt and weak acid, what will happen? pH will increase or decrease? Okay, simply we are adding, actually it is also acid. Ammonium chloride is a salt of strong acid, weak base. So acid plus acid, more acid. More acid means decrease in pH. Decrease in pH. Is it understood why it is? See, ammonium chloride, HCl. HCl is a strong acid. So resultant it is going to be acid. So this is acid and adding to the acid. So acid is added to acid, then what it is, the acidic strength will improve. Acidic strength improves, so decrease in pH. Okay. Okay, next question is a little bit tricky numerical. Okay. A weak acid HX has a dissociation constant 1 into 10 to the power of minus 5. And its salt NaX with alkali, then percentage hydrolysis you have to find out. Okay. Okay, very simple question, direct formula based. Okay. What you have to find out? H you have to find out. H is equal to square root of. It is a salt of weak acid and strong base. Okay. So what will be the formula? Strong Ka upon Kw into C. Okay. Ka upon Kw, sorry, Kw upon Ka into C. Okay. Square root of concentration, I think given 0.1. Okay. Kw is 10 to the power of minus 14. Ka is 10 to the power of minus 5 and C is 10 to the power of minus 1. On simplification, percentage, actually you will get minus 4 here, percentage will be 0.01. Okay, percent hydrolysis. Okay, so see how, that's why this, if you get immediately what you will take, answer A. That's why answers are very confusing, so don't get attracted by wrong answers. Okay.